Welcome to our episode all about rocket science, where you're going to learn all about the incredible secrets about rockets. And if you've asked, how do rockets leave the Earth and travel through space? Well, we're going to answer that too. Hey, I'm Zoe. First, what is a rocket? Do you know? Well, a rocket is like a super fast flying machine that can take people and stuff on incredible adventures beyond our planet. It's like a big, powerful firecracker, but way bigger and cooler. Picture this, you have a spaceship, and you want to go to space, visit the moon, or explore other planets like Mars. Well, a space rocket is your magic ticket to get there. It's got an engine that roars with fiery power, and when it ignites, it pushes the spaceship super fast into the sky, breaking through Earth's atmosphere. As the rocket speeds through space, it's like a thrilling roller coaster ride, but you're going higher and faster than anything on Earth. And when it reaches space, you can float around, do experiments, and see amazing things like stars, planets, and maybe even meet some space aliens. Well, maybe not the aliens part, but it's still super exciting. So, what are rockets made from? Well, they're actually made from very strong but lightweight materials like titanium or aluminium. Okay, what about how a rocket is structured? Did you know that there are several sections that make up a rocket? Firstly, you have the huge metal body. The main part of a rocket is a big, strong, metal body that holds everything together. It's like the rocket's skeleton, keeping it nice and solid. Next you have the thrilling engines. Rockets have powerful engines that make all the fiery, exciting stuff happen. These engines use a special fuel, like rocket fuel or liquid hydrogen, that burns super hot and super fast, shooting the rocket up into space. Then there's the control computers. Rockets are smart, too. They have computers on board that help steer them in the right direction and control the engines. These computers are like the rocket's brain, making sure it goes where it's supposed to go. And what about their super pointy nose? The front part of a rocket is usually pointy, like a sharp tip. This helps it cut through the air as it zooms into space. Think of it like the rocket's sleek, aerodynamic nose. Have you ever noticed those fins on rockets? Well, they're not for looks. You see some rockets have fins on the bottom, like the feathers on an arrow. These fins help stabilize the rocket and keep it flying straight, just like the feathers keep an arrow on target. But there's more. On top of the rocket, there's a special part called the payload. This is where astronauts, satellites, or cool scientific instruments are stored. It's like the rocket's treasure chest, carrying all the exciting stuff into space. And lastly, they have heat shields. Rockets that come back to Earth, like those used in missions to the moon, have heat shields. These are tough, heat-resistant materials that protect the rocket and everything inside from getting too hot when they enter Earth's atmosphere. So, as you can see, there's a lot more to rockets than you might think. Rockets are like a combination of strong metals, super hot engines, clever computers, and all sorts of other parts that work together to make space travel possible. They're a bit like a puzzle, with each piece playing its special role to launch us into amazing space adventures.
Hey, I'm Kimmy. I want to share with you the science behind launching a rocket. How is it that they can leave the Earth and travel through space? Let's look at how they do it. Here is the deal. Rockets are like the coolest, most mind-blowing rides to space. They leave Earth with a bang, and it's all thanks to something called thrust. Imagine you are in a race car, and you hit the turbo boost button. That's what rockets have, but on a cosmic level. They burn super-duper fuel inside a special chamber and mix it with oxygen, which is like their secret sauce. Then, boom! They ignite it in a fiery dance party, and what happens next is pure magic. This fiery dance creates an insanely powerful force that pushes the rocket forward. It's like a superhero taking off into the sky, leaving a trail of hot gas in its wake. Rockets are like the ultimate cosmic hot rods, and when they blast off, it's like they're going on the most epic adventure ever. So, if you ever dreamed of being your own rocket ship, this is the thrill of a lifetime. Alright homeschoolers, get ready for even more rocket science magic. Rocket engines are powered by something called Newton's third law of motion. It's like the rocket's super-duper secret sauce. Now, picture this. When rockets burn fuel, it's not just for show. It's all about making a big, powerful push in the opposite direction. This push is what makes the rocket zoom into space like a shooting star.
Let's talk about Sir Isaac Newton, the super smart scientist from a long time ago. He's famous for discovering gravity. Gravity is what pulls everything down to the ground so that things don't float away. Now, here's the cool part. In rocket science, gravity is a big deal. Imagine if you were playing with a basketball. It stays still until someone gives it a big kick. Once it starts rolling, it only stops if something like a tackle or friction slows it down. Think of rocket engines like turbo boosters. They push the rocket to go super fast, just like when you spin a merry-go-round at the playground. The more you push, the faster it goes. Rocket engines do the same thing, but way stronger. So, when rockets burn their fuel and shoot out high-pressure gas, it's like a super-duper turbo boost that sends the rocket soaring into space. It's like a space adventure filled with science and magic. Hey homeschoolers, let's look back at what we've learned so far. A rocket is a super-duper, super fast flying machine that can take people and stuff on incredible adventures beyond our planet. Rockets are made from very strong but lightweight materials like titanium or aluminium. There are several sections to a rocket: incredibly powerful engines, clever computers, super pointy noses, fins, and heat shields. Rocket engines are powered by Newton's third law of motion. Okay, homeschoolers, you might be wondering, how do rockets leave the Earth in the first place with gravity keeping it down? Well, that is down to what is called escape velocity, and this is the final piece of the puzzle. You see, a rocket needs to reach an incredible speed known as escape velocity in order to escape the Earth's gravity and travel into space without falling back. In fact, rockets need to reach a lightning-quick 11.2 kilometers per second speed in order to leave the Earth. Escape velocity is like the ultimate cosmic ticket, granting a rocket the power to overcome Earth's grasp. It's like trying to jump off a merry-go-round while it's still spinning. You need a serious boost. Rocket engines need to reach speeds of up to 25,000 miles per hour to leave the Earth. Yikes, that's seriously fast. So, the real science behind rocket launches is this. Earth's gravity is more than simply a simple pull down. Everything is drawn to its center by this force. Gravity pulls you down towards the center of the Earth regardless of where you are on the planet, and everything, including rockets, is susceptible to this strong force. So, it's that immense push and incredible escape velocity produced by rockets that allows it to escape the gravity-defying pull of Earth. Similar to a cosmic tug-of-war, thrust is pushing the rocket forward while gravity is working to keep it on the Earth. So, as it journeys through the universe, it's the perfect balance of thrust, gravity, and escape velocity that lets rockets touch the stars.
Hey, I'm Toby. Congratulations on completing the interstellar journey through rockets, gravity, and escape velocity. However, the adventure doesn't finish here. Rather, it's just beginning. Close your eyes and let your imagination soar to the stars. Picture the most fantastical rocket your mind can create. Grab your favorite art supplies and bring your dream rocket to life on paper. Design its shape, colors, and all the jaw-dropping details that make it one of a kind. Don't forget to label your rocket's coolest features. Is there a gravity-defying booster? A super-secret propulsion system? The comfiest space seats ever? Every rocket deserves a stellar name. Give your creation a name that screams adventure among the stars. Want to take your challenge to the next level? Write a short story about your dream rocket's cosmic voyage. Where would it go? What cosmic wonders would it discover? Once your dream rocket masterpiece is ready, snap a photo or scan it and share it with us on our Facebook page using the hashtag #RocketDreams. Please don't share your name or any personal information about you, but we would love to see your amazing creation. Let's fill the cosmos with your incredible creations and inspire fellow young explorers to dream big, reach for the stars, and embark on their own cosmic quests.